All right, hello and welcome everybody to an ICIMS training video hosted by the Council of Industry. My name is Tyler, and today we're going to go over managing your job postings. Topics to be included in this training are steps on how to create, close, and copy jobs, all found on the ICIMS platform. Let's get into it, shall we? This here is your dashboard. Located here would be all of your open, closed, and pending jobs. This is the first screen you're going to see when you log into your ICIMS platform. On the right would be any subscription statuses, custom reports, or anything of that nature over there. To begin with creating a job, we are going to go to the top of your ICIMS search bar. Under the Create tab, you're going to click on the job button that is highlighted for you. And this is the back end of what your job posting is going to look like. The categories you need to make sure that you have the information are the template. So you're going to click down on the drop-down menu located right here and find your company's template. That will help autofill in some of the information for you, such as location, website, that kind of stuff. For this example, I created an HR professional template to use. Some information to make sure you have are the experience level that accurately reflects the job. The category type and hire type are all correct. The number of openings needs to have a number greater than 0 in it. And compensation down here is a great field to fill out if you have. It helps, job visibility for certain jobs on the web, for Indeed, for Glassdoor, for Monster. Prioritizes job postings that have more information for them. So make sure all your team names are also filled. Hiring manager we have up here, recruiter as well, are all filled in. Job start date down here, telecommute and Ulster Job Connector are not needed and can usually be left blank. The applicant notifier should be set to on if you would like to receive notifications when a new applicant applies, though. So this is a quick overview that will be displayed on Google. The first thing an individual will see is this overview tab right here. It should have all the flashy information you want candidates to see right away: hours, bonuses, wage information, anything that really sets you apart from your competition. Make sure your responsibilities, qualifications, and website are all up to date and accurate. You'll have the option to edit this after it's live, but it may not update if it has already been picked up by another job board. So our job has been created, but it is not quite live yet. This is the screen you'll see where once candidates apply, they'll be populated here. And this is the detail tab. We filled out this originally. If you notice a mistake, you can click on the edit tab in the top left of the screen to change the information. Again, make sure to double check that all hiring managers have been added, the location is correct, and the job details are also accurate. As you can see, this job is currently in the pending approval folder, which means it is currently not live. When you make a new job, it alerts us at the council to approve it and post it to its job portals, your companies, and the council's job boards. That will eventually get picked up by Google and then to all of its other respected job boards. So congratulations, your job has been approved, posted, but in the meantime, we have found an internal candidate for this particular role and have hired them. So we're going to need to go ahead and close the job and mark it as filled so we can take it down from Google and stop getting applicants. So you're going to go back into the job, into the details tab. You're going to hit edit at the top left and click on the job folder. This will open up a drop-down menu where you will go to the closed filled option. Closing a job removes it from Google so applicants can no longer apply through the portals that we mentioned previously for this particular role. Oh no, what happened? It looks like we have an error. So you cannot close a job that has any number in the openings field that is actually greater than 0. So we're going to need to go down to the bottom and set that number that was 1 to 0 so we can close the job. And there we go. Our job has been closed and has been removed from Google and the portals associated with this listing. But the question comes up, what if you'd like to reopen an old job or copy a new job? You know, we had another role open up, so we would like this job reopened. So going back into the job after it's been closed, we see the close tab is right here, and we see 2 buttons right here at the top right, a little envelope and a piece of paper. If you highlight over that piece of paper right here, it's going to give you the option to copy all the information from this job posting. And here is all the information that we had filled out previously, and that just gets copied over to a new job posting. We're going to make sure everything's accurate. The compensation information didn't change. The hiring managers we have on did not change. The title's accurate, and everything's up to date. This is important because when you always want to create a new job instead of opening an old one, because it keeps it refreshed, you will be given a new job ID once this job has been created. The job ID is how the job is stored in our system and can be used to look it up and change it. On the previous post, it is on the top left-hand side of any job posting. And on your dashboard, it is the 2022 and then 4 digits after that. All right, and that just about wraps it up, folks. If you have any questions or interested in a more in-depth demonstration, please don't hesitate and reach out to Johnny Ann and I. My contact information can be found in the bottom left of the slide. And I just want to thank everybody again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.